Welcome to the Sway Wallet tutorial for beginners. In this guide we will walk you through the steps to set up and use your Sway wallet. The Sway wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Sway coins, a new type of digital currency. First, you need to download and install the Sway wallet application on your device. You can find it on the official Sway website or on app stores. Once installed, open the application and click on Create a new wallet. This will generate a unique wallet address and a private key. Your private key is very important. It is used to access your wallet and make transactions. So make sure to store it in a safe place. You can also set up a password to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. Now that you have your wallet set up, you can start sending and receiving Sway coins. To receive coins, simply share your wallet address with the sender. And to send coins, enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. It is also important to note that the Sway wallet has a feature called gas, which is used to pay for transaction fees. You can set the gas price and limit according to your needs. Best practices for using your Sway wallet include keeping your private key and password safe, regularly updating your wallet software, and being cautious when sending coins to unfamiliar addresses. In conclusion, setting up and using the Sway wallet is a straightforward process. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely store, send, and receive Sway coins. Remember to always keep your private key and password safe and be mindful of transaction fees. With the Sway wallet, you can easily manage your digital assets and take part in the Sway ecosystem.